Greetings and welcome to video number 32. Today I have several cars I want to show y'all, new Hot Wheels mainly. Now I'm going to start us off with this Aston Martin Vulcan Hot Wheels Premium. First time I've actually seen it in person. Again, like I've already said in previous videos, Hot Wheels Premiums are quite rare. This is in a set of 5. I already have the Lamborghini Huracan, previous video as well. I also have the Bugatti Chiron, but it's not in a single package. It's in a pack of 3, which came with a few other cars. This one comes in a nice orange and nice carbon fiber roof detail. Like a Hot Wheel Premium, it is premium quality and premium details. Pretty sure those are these. This also has real rubber wheels. The package is a little damaged along here. Looks like it's bent a little. Yeah, look at that. It was bent a little too much, but it is still a good car. Up next is a personal favorite, the Tesla Model 3. This is the moving parts Matchbox recycled series. I've done a few of these already. I do not want to open this because the packaging was a little damaged when I opened the ones in the previous videos. Plus, I want to preserve this miniature model of my favorite car currently. But next up is the big stuff, and I mean that literally. As everyone knows, this is a standard Hot Wheels size, scale 64, and the Hot Wheel Premiums are bigger packaging, but they're the same scale cars. But then I found these two giant Hot Wheels. These are scale 43, not 64, and especially once I open these, you'll see the difference. It is colossal in comparison. They are a bit more expensive. They are $25 each. And thankfully, I'm pretty certain that with $25, I get a good amount of stuff. We're going to start with the COrvette Zo6 first. And yes, this is the new 2023 COrvette Zo6. Brand new, very awesome design. And I'm going to get straight to opening it. We have tape on the side. Simple cut there. And there. And there and there. And I'm pretty sure that's all I need to do. Oh, I'm in the back, I will say. This is a big molded Hot Wheels logo in the back, and as far as I know, and according to this, the two that I have are the only two giant size Hot Wheels, as I'm calling them. They're Hot Wheels premium branded, but they're a little more than premium, I'd say. Yes, this is a really nice big cardboard back. There's a little naming cardboard. And here's the car. I can tell it's good quality because it's quite hefty for a Hot Wheel. Holy cow, that is heavy. Wow. And yeah, this is a Hot Wheel that I am holding, even though it's very much not. And yes, as I already said, this is the 2023 COrvette C8 as it says right there. Giant Hot Wheels, and it is very much exactly that. Highest quality Hot Wheels I've ever held or seen or heard about even. Very detailed, very heavy. This is all real metal on the outside. It does not open up in any way. This is just like all the other Hot Wheels, only bigger. It's just a display model, which is why I intend to put it back in the packaging when I'm done with this video. The giant rear wing is gorgeous. The Lamborghini Countach modern 50th edition giant Hot Wheel. Yeah, same thing before. 2 slices of tape, and with also 2 slices of the pieces of tape are gone. Same opening process, same premium piece of cardboard. Also, like the last one, absolutely absurd design. Not just design, but detail in the Hot Wheel. You could even see colored engine and very detailed interior. It's harder to see on the Corvette because it's just solid black. But this thing is crazy good for how small it is. that's gonna be all for today's video. New Hot Wheels Premium, new Matchbox moving parts, and 2 giant Hot Wheels. Thank you for watching. Make sure you like and subscribe and leave a comment about what you thought of any of these. Which of these 4 models is your favorite? I know it's an unfair review because I didn't open these 2, but that's kind of how I want to do these. I don't want to open the smaller ones. Well, with that, I shall return.